bed. It's okay. It's okay. He's a bit hormonal. You can't see this, but I'll show you in a sec. Look. I reckon she's probably going to poo on me as well in a second. Hopefully she won't. Oop, careful, careful. He's nearly falling off. The thing is, they're both doing something on the wall. I can't record both angles. Come on, babe. Come on off me. Come on, Kev. You going on to me as well? Try and see if I can get him on my head as well. Come on, Kev. Off you go. Oh. Well, he's on my hand, at least. Hey, Kev. Do you want to say something to everybody? You going to coo for them? No? Oh. Emma's right behind me as well. Let's see if I can get Emma into the video. Hello, sweetie. Do you want to sit on my shoulder? What was that? Tell me something. Have I got a devil on my head?